Does powerful suction create a powerful clean? Well, no, not on its own. A good clean works like a great orchestra. It takes the whole ensemble to create a symphony. Roborock, a symphony in your house. Here's how it works. Step 1. The extendable side brush brings dust to the main brush. Step 2. The dual roller riser brush carries dust to the fan. Concealed scrapers free tangled hair from getting stuck. Step 3. The fan sucks dust with 10,000 hyperforce suction power. The ultra-efficient pipe design ensures minimal power loss. Step 4. The Viberize 3.0 mopping system vibrates at 4,000 times per minute to break up stubborn stains easily. Step 5. The mopping system collects leftover stains and returns to the dock. Together, each component complements another to create an impressively powerful clean. Harmony in every element, mastery in every clean. Roborock Academy.